chapter. Here we have in front of us the Usha Research Institute. The Usha Research Institute is located on the north coast of Honduras, which is a country in Central America. We chose this area because we have thermal waters here. Waters that are highly curative. We have also the enjoyment of that backdrop that you see there, which are the mountains that ranges from Guatemala all the way to Nicaragua. It is called, the group of mountains is called In the Name of God, in nombre de Dios. So we chose this area to bring you this new chapter. This new chapter, as we chose to call it, and it is because it seems as though many of the things that would be discussed and talked about and explained to you are things that we were not prepared. We were not prepared for, because the schools did not prepare us to understand that which is natural from that which is unnatural. But don't feel that you are ignorant or less than. What happened is that the schools did not prepare us, but that does not mean that we are not capable of digesting a piece of information once that information is presented in the proper way. So therefore, we're going to begin to journey into this healing thing. This healing journey that has been approached by so many different ways and by so many people since time immemorial. Today, we're going to try to decipher the undecipherable for you, that we could journey on a better footing, understanding what is health, what is healing, and how does the human body interrelate with these things we call plants. We want to understand, because it seems as though much of what has been said to us and shown to us has not been exactly right. They have not helped in the areas that we would like to be helped. So we're going to take our time and we're going to walk through this thing. Of course, you're going to see things that you have not seen before, because as I look at the menu of the American herbal position, many of the herbs that we use here in Usha are not mentioned in any of those books. And many of the herbs that are mentioned in those books are hybrid, meaning that they are artificial. And this is the reason why we fall short of the goal. The goal is receding faster than we could run. So please, let us take our time and walk into this thing. We're going to talk about the things that we need to hear, and we're going to explain the things that were not explained. So just take our time.